Hey guys, it's me again, Avid Superstar, back with another video. So guys, for my second video, I thought मैं कौन सा गाना सिखाऊं आप लोगों को, and then I thought chronological order में चलते हैं ना. The next song that I learned on finger picking was actually a famous गाना and most of you might know it. It goes something like this. Guys, you heard it correct. अगर आपको नहीं पता लगा, this is Stairway to Heaven by Led Zeppelin, and do not play this in a guitar video, guitar center. You might get kicked as well. So ठीक है, and on this note, I'll be teaching you the forbidden riff, and hopefully you enjoy it. So yeah, here it goes. जो फर्स्ट कॉर्ड होता है हमारा, इट इज एन A-7 chord and it is not played here on its original position but rather here on this shape. So क्या होता है ये? You take your index finger, you bar the bottom three strings like this. ऐसा आवाज आना चाहिए आपका. Then you take your ring finger and place it on the 7th fret of the D string. ये वाला आपका कॉर्ड ऐसा आवाज आना चाहिए. So एक बारी it can take you little time because it has a छोटा सा bar. Once you master this hold, you have to arpeggiate like this. It is very simple. All you're doing is plucking the D string, then G string, then B string, then E string. ठीक है? Sounds good? Once you pluck E string, आपका chord change है. It is, देखिए इस riff में I tell you क्या हो गया है. हमारा bass note ऐसा है. It goes on like this. ऐसा decreasing manner में चलता है. हमारे जो melody notes हैं, it goes something like हमारे बेस नोट्स डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में एंड हमारा जो मेलोडी नोट्स है दे आर इन एन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर लाइक दिस. एंड ऑन बेस नोट्स सो ऑन दिस नोट ए फर्स्ट कॉर्ड हमारा A-7. Then you take your middle finger, 6th fret on the D string, and आपकी pinky this middle ring finger से you place it on the 7th note of the high E. This is the chord. ये आवाज आना चाहिए. All you have to do is repeat the pattern जो आपने पिछली chord पे किया था. That was. So if when we combine it together, A-7, एक पीछे वाला note. नेक्स्ट कॉर्ड है ये वाला. आई डोंट नो इट्स नेम बट इट इज जैसा मैंने बताया था, बेस नोट पीछे पीछे जा रहे हैं एंड मेलोडी नोट्स आगे आगे जा रहे हैं एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर पैटर्न हम यहाँ पहुँच चुके हैं एंड इसका कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग बेस नोट होगा. सो इट वाज लाइक 7. अभी मैं आपको जो बोलूँगा दैट विल बी इन अकॉर्डिंग टू बेस नोट्स. राइट, फर्स्ट बेस नोट ऑन 7th fret of the D string, G string, 6th string, 5th string. ठीक है, आराम से A-7. ये शेप में क्या करना है आपको, आपका बार मेंटेन करना है 5th फ्रेट पे. बस क्या करना है आपको, अपनी पिंकी फिंगर से यू हैव टू पुट इट ऑन द 8th फ्रेट ऑफ द हाई E. तब यू गेट दिस कॉर्ड. सो अगेन फ्रॉम द वेरी स्टार्टिंग it goes. This is the next segment into a D chord. अब D chord आप इसको ऐसे भी बजा सकते हैं, बट इसमें भी एक बार होता है एंड फॉर बिगिनर्स बार को ऐसे मेंटेन करना इट इज लिटिल टायरसम. सो व्हाट आई डिड वाज I just played the normal D string like. Alright, so from the very beginning it looks like. Into the D. Once you're done with the D, आपको F major 7 पकड़ना है, this chord. आपका ring finger on the 3rd fret of the D string, second finger, आपका middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, and your first index finger on the 1st fret of the B string. This makes the F major 7, and you have to let this E ring out. तभी you get that mysterious sound. So आपको इस chord पे क्या करना है? Wait, I'll play it again. It is very simple. All you have to do is pluck your D and B string together. No, sorry, not D, but pluck your D and high E string together. Once you pluck it, you have to play B string, then G string, then G string again, and once you do it, it looks something like this. Once you're done with this, थोड़ा pause के बाद you have to play this note again, your high E string. So combining this all together for F major 7 part. And you ended up with a G A major. A minor, I'm so sorry. So from the very beginning it goes like A minor 7. To repeat all of this 4 times, okay? And on your 4th note, when you come here, instead of going back to playing this, you have to do this. Instead of going back to without any ad lib or something, आपको क्या करना है? On the A string from 2, you have to slide till 8th fret or 8th fret, that's like this. 2 से लेके 8 तक slide, then go back to 7 and then an open note on it. So it goes like this. And like this. So guys, tune in for the next video where I'll be telling you about how the chorus of this song goes. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.